Hello and welcome to Cooking with Sharda. Today we will make Panipuri. For this we will need, firstly for the pani, we will need tamarind paste, and we have soaked tamarind for 1 hour in the water, and then we have grinded it, and then we have strained it, and there you get the tamarind paste. Then we have this paste, which is a mixture of, we have grinded the coriander leaves, mint leaves, green chili and ginger, and there you get this paste. Lime juice, Panipuri masala 1 teaspoon, roasted cumin powder half teaspoon of powdered sugar, salt to taste, black salt and chaat masala, some bundi, cold water, some pani puri which is available in the market. Now for the masala, we will need boiled cut potatoes, some boiled moong, boiled black chana, some black salt and some chaat masala. Okay, we'll start the preparation of pani. For that we are going to take about 2 glasses of water. Take cold water. Okay, so now we are going to add our tamarind paste, about 2 tablespoons of tamarind paste to the water. Now we are going to add 2 teaspoons of our coriander paste. If you wanted more spicy, you can add more of the coriander paste. 1 teaspoon of Panipuri masala, and Panipuri masala is available in the market. Now we are going to add about half teaspoon of cumin powder, half teaspoon of salt or salt to taste, half teaspoon of black salt, 1 teaspoon of chaat masala, 1 teaspoon of sugar, lime juice, and now we are going to mix everything well. Okay, so you can do is you can just taste a little bit of water, and you can get to know if you need to add more of salt or any of the paste according to your taste. So we have tasted and it is just perfect. So now we'll proceed to a masala. Okay, so now we'll start with the masala. For that we are going to take potatoes, moong, then black chana, chaat masala, it gives a very nice taste, and black salt. And now we are going to mix everything well. Now if you don't like moong or chana or anything, you can just skip that if you want. Okay, so our masala is also ready. We have mashed it and mixed it very well. Okay, so pani puri is ready, and this is the way we are going to serve it. And we have served pani and masala and puri, and also we have served bundi. These are soaked in water for half an hour, or you can also soak it directly into your water. So there you go. Okay, now we are going to show you how to have it. We are going to make a hole with the thumb like that by breaking it. Then we are going to take some masala, some bundi, and then dunk it into the water. And then have it. So you can see it's really yummy. It's just perfect. The pani is perfect. Serve it chilled and enjoy it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye bye.